Battery test. Power on the product. Enter the menu and select Battery Test Mode. Choose the appropriate battery type, such as regular lead acid. Next, select the battery standard, for example, CCA, DIN, IEC, EN, SAE. The test will begin automatically and take approximately 3 to 5 seconds. Once completed, the battery test results will be displayed on the screen with synchronized display on the mobile app. Cranking test. Power on the product. Press the Confirm button to enter the mode selection interface. Choose Battery Test Mode, then press the Confirm button again to enter Cranking Tests mode. Cranking test results will be displayed on the screen with synchronized display on the app. Charging test. First, turn on the device. Navigate to the menu screen. Select Charging Test from the options. Tap the button to begin the test. Now, shift your vehicle into neutral gear. Bring the engine speed up to around 2,500 to 3,000 RPM and keep it steady for 60 seconds. Once the test is complete, the results will appear on the screen, and the app will display them in real time. Normal charging mode. Connect the AC power cable to your Lokithor and turn it on. From the menu, select charging mode and enter normal charge. Choose the correct battery type, 12-volt regular, 12-volt AGM, 12-volt lithium-ion, 6-volt regular, or 6-volt AGM, then set the appropriate charging current. Press Confirm to start charging. Power supply mode. Plug in the power to wake up the device. Press the Confirm button to enter the menu, then use the up and down buttons to select Power mode and press Confirm. In DC mode, the output voltage can be adjusted from 5 to 20 volts. The device supports up to 5 amps of current with a maximum output power of 60 watts.